Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine in Stardew Valley. To begin your winemaking journey, you'll need a keg and some fruit. Place any fruit into the keg, and after a set amount of in-game time, it will transform into delicious wine. This process significantly increases the value of your harvest, making it a profitable venture for any farmer. Let's get started. To craft a keg, you'll need 30 pieces of wood, 1 copper bar, 1 iron bar, and 1 oak resin. Oak resin is collected by attaching a tapper to an oak tree and waiting a few days. The crafting recipe for the keg becomes available once your farming skill reaches level 8. Gathering these materials is your first step towards becoming a master vintner. Once you have your wine, you can further increase its value by aging it in a cask. Casks are crafted using 20 pieces of wood and 1 piece of hardwood. Placing wine in a cask allows it to age over time, improving its quality from normal to silver, gold, and eventually iridium. Reaching iridium quality takes 2 full in-game seasons, but the increased profit is well worth the wait. For maximum profit, consider making wine from starfruit or ancient fruit. Starfruit wine is incredibly lucrative, selling for 2,250 gold per bottle. Ancient fruit wine is also a fantastic choice, bringing in 1,650 gold. These high-value wines can significantly boost your farm's income. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.